Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are
On the Off-Ramp.
And in today's video, we are spending some time moochdocking at a family cottage with some close family. And we'll be playing some games and eating our meals together and going for some walks, hopefully.
And we are also going to be reviewing 2 chairs that we received from kilosgear.com. And stick around for those reviews.
So come along and join us at the Whiteshell Provincial Park. Well, we're once again back on the road and it feels good. We're back in the Whiteshell Provincial Park, but this time we are actually moochdocking on family's cottage lot. So Lorraine's sister and her husband have access to a family cottage, and so we get to be in the wonderful Whiteshell, but this time we're camping for free on their yard, and but we'll be together and playing lots of cards and just having fun together, doing some hiking together. And so here we are camping in the wonderful Whiteshell Provincial Park in Manitoba, and we're looking forward to sharing some of our hiking and other activities. The forecast for tomorrow is rain all day, so we'll see what that does. That might just make it a busy playing card day. So.
So one of the things that we are dealing with, we love it when we can sit by the fire and Wade pull out the guitar and play some tunes, sing some songs. We're always looking for a chair that's comfortable for Wade to play guitar. What's the issue here for you, Wade?
Well, so there's a few issues we have to look at. Being van life,
Yeah.
living in a van, we need to make room. It's just these chairs, like this red one, folds up okay, but it still takes up quite a bit of room. And the one that Lorraine is sitting in here, I'll grab the
Okay.
reach
All
over
right.
here. I'll do this. And the one that Lorraine is sitting in is a very nice chair from Costco, but it's also very cumbersome.
In transport, Wade, this chair can only go on the bed. Like when we're driving and packing up, this blue chair from Costco ends up on the bed or on the floor. The red chair that Wade's on can be in a bag and maybe fits into, the back compartment of our van.
Yeah, it does get crowded. The other thing too is that both chairs have very hard armrests. I'm a sloucher. I love to lean back, just slouch away and just have the guitar kind of resting on my body and playing guitar. And especially if we're camping at the lake or whatever, then it's just, for me, that's comfortable. So there's 2 things that we want to look at. One is the armrests, because if I sit back, I can't.
They're definitely in the way.
Yeah, they're definitely in the way. I mean, I have to hold my guitar differently. I can't move it past that. If I put it on the armrest, well, then I look like Johnny Cash. Guitar high up on my chest.
Is that so horrible?
I don't sound like him. That's a problem.
And then this one for sure.
And that one is even worse yet than this one.
Yeah, this one has a really high armrest, comfortable for sitting in.
So we placed an order for 2 chairs.
Mm-hmm.
And guess what? The 2 chairs and the footrests came the day after we left on this little holiday, so we didn't get to use them for this holiday. So we're going to show you more about that later. So this is basically it's talking about chairs, storage, and usage. Now at the back of the vehicle, we are very limited for space underneath the seats. Our storage bins, which has all of our water supply stuff in one, and insect repellent and hot dog sticks and other camping things in the other, and then some tools and some camping supplies. So the chair fits just into this area here, and we used to have two of them. And it creates quite a tight fit, and there was no room for anything else. And of course you saw the axe and the wood turner in there as well. So now we're thinking that two chairs that we are getting should take up way less room than this one chair, or maybe about the same room as this one chair, and each in its own package. This chair here is a nice comfortable chair. It's got the side table, but it does not fit in the back of the doors at all. So this one we actually need to fold up, and it usually sits on the bed. The difficulty arises is we're always moving it around when we're trying to get at stuff. And if we are boondocking, you know, whether it's Bass Pro Shops or Walmart or wherever, then we have to find a place to put this chair, because you can't put stuff outside of your van when you're in a parking lot. Okay, so our package has come in the mail.
Yeah, we're pretty excited about that. We have done van life for a long time, and probably one of the bigger puzzles in van life is storage.
Yeah.
And as you've seen,
it's always playing Tetris.
yeah, and chairs take up a lot of space. At least the kind of chairs we have and the kind of van we have doesn't have a lot of room for, you know, extras. We don't
Right.
have no big garage.
So we got from Kilos Outdoors, and we'll put a link in our description for this as well. But we got two chairs and also two footstools.
And you did a lot of research, Wade. Wade's goal was to find a chair that he could sit. Am I doing this right? Play guitar.
And play guitar, but to even just sit and be comfortable, but also that took a lot less storage. So our main thing was we need to cut back on storage room, because like if I bring my guitar along, it takes up a lot of room. So now we have to find room to put that. So
apparently it has adjustable seat heights.
Yes.
And they threw in the footstools as well. So we're pretty excited about really hoping these work for us.
They are expensive. They're like you pay for quality that you're going to get.
Yeah, they're not your basic folding chair that you throw away maybe after 2 summers or whatever. We're hoping for some real sturdiness here. Oh, this is exciting.
So this is, now we showed you in the back of our van, we showed you how large the chairs were, and we already had some pretty decent folding chairs, 2 different kinds. So this is our package. This is one chair.
Wow.
And this should easily fit. Okay, we had to give ourselves a little bit of room to set it up. So we're going to go through the setup, and it's all self-contained in one bag. So this is the seat. So let's do the seat first, and we can do the footrest on top. And it comes with a pillow.
A little neck rest.
A little neck rest. And everything is contained into one. Well, I guess the frame and the seat and backrest are 2 separate pieces, but everything else is contained pretty much. So this is the package. You open it up. This is the backrest. The legs are stored in this bag that sits at the front of the seat. So
the legs at the bottom of the chair are not cabled. They have to be popped in.
Yeah, they have to be popped in, but the rest of the legs are the backrest and the seat rest would be all cabled.
Yeah. So it comes on this black stand that spreads out.
Okay, so
and those just pop into place.
These just pop into place. The long ones are for the backrest.
Oh, I can kind of start seeing it form.
And the short ones are for the foot, or for the seat.
You can move those around.
Yeah, so this closes. When you fold it up, that closes.
Oh, yeah.
These are pressure fitted. There's a little pressure spring in here, and they just pop kind of into place in here.
Here, let me try one, just see how it feels.
Okay.
It just pops in?
Yeah.
Is there a
light
button?
up? No, just push it.
Oh, there's a button. Oh.
It's just to add pressure on the inside.
Yeah.
And these legs are adjustable, so you can lower or raise them.
Put them at the highest.
Okay, we'll put them at the highest. Whoops, almost too far. Where is that? There it is.
Put them at the highest on all 4 legs.
Okay. Yeah, because
as we're getting older, getting out of a chair is still part of the tasks you have to do. And
so it's the 4 legs go on.
Yeah, they just snap in there.
And I just got to find that
little button.
Button, there we are.
There you go.
Oh, did I pick you off?
No, I was fine.
Okay, so this is, whoops, it easy. This is the frame of the chair. It's a when it's loose like this, it's quite flexible.
Yeah.
So to get it on, the Kilos Gear logo goes to the front, so that'll be your backrest facing your back. All right, to hook it on,
Let's see, is this a one-person job?
there is an instructions right on the side of the seat and the backrest as well. So the instructions are right there. It's quite simple. There's a pouch in the back. You put one into the pouch all the way in.
Like a casing.
Like a casing, yeah. And then this one.
I'll hold this steady.
Okay, you hold it steady. Well, let's see if I can do it on my own here.
Okay.
And then
Might have to put your leg against this, or...
I'm not sure. And then the other one fits into the other pouch.
Oh, you can do it on your own?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll just get it down in there. So it's based on a lot of tension. The whole chair sits together in tension.
So this side can come down more.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, so that's the backrest on.
Well, I hope they're as comfortable as they looked.
There are loops on each of the pouches in the for the secondary pouches that you're putting in.
For the next legs.
And that
right?
works really nice. So then you can pull the canvas or the seating material
And you use
over
that
the
little,
leg, and you just whoops.
And then you use that little tab to
Yeah, you
pull it
lose
into
that little tab just to pull it onto there.
pull it into the casing. And it's sturdy fabric.
And this is really our first time really putting it together the way we know how to put it together. And that's it. That's the chair put together. And we're set up as high as possible.
Put up the headrest.
Okay, and the headrest, there's a Velcro on the back for the headrest. You stick it on there and you can adjust it to whatever height you need. The Velcro, there's lots of room for movement.
Okay.
And that is the chair. So then
You relax while
I'm
I
gonna
get your
relax.
footrest ready.
and
Now, why don't you go get a Coke can and see if it rests in that? Like, not an open one, just get a closed
there
Coke.
is a pouch on the side here for a drink. I don't think I would put a Coke can into there because
Does it look a little
it looks a
precarious?
little spillage might happen
Yeah.
there.
In the house, we don't want to try that.
No, definitely not in the house.
So this is the pouch that comes for the footrest, and the pouch is the footrest. It has a mesh bag in here. I already know that once I have my footrest assembled, maybe I'd stick my mosquito repellent in there.
Yeah, and that you can really see is self-contained as well.
Yeah, I'll open up the zipper all the way. You hold that.
It's my job. I'm Vanna.
Yeah. And this kind of just snaps together, all with cables, springs together. Don't feel like I have to do much. It's almost happening on its own. There we go. One more. Can you kind of see the shape of it forming already?
Probably be easiest if you put that one through all the way first. That
This one
there.
here, yeah.
Like let it go through all the way first, and
I'm
then
trying.
there you go.
There we go. These rubber stoppers means that must be the bottom
That's the bottom.
of the footrest.
Okay, so yeah.
So on this again, that has these really sturdy pockets for the poles to fit into. Well, that one's out. Really sturdy pockets, and then the other sturdy pocket has the tabs, like just on the chair
loops that you
did.
can use to
These
pull,
loops.
yeah.
So you do those last. So you do this on here, this one on here. That one came undone. There we go. Now to put them on here, I'm just going to use that tab to force it in. Oh, that works slick. There you go, sir. Relax.
Okay.
The footstool.
So this is the Kilos the Grand Peak, I think it's called.
I think it was called Grand Peak. Yep.
The Kilos Grand Peak high back chair with footrest. And
Okay.
we're gonna that's for the field.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to test them out in the field now. We just got the package in the mail, and we wanted to make sure we knew how to put them together.
Yeah, we didn't want to fuss with that while we're camping.
Yeah, we wanted to show it to you in a controlled environment. Our next job now is to get it out into the field and try it out with the guitar and see how it works. But I can see already that this is going to be really nice and easy to hold the guitar. This side collapses down, it won't get in the way, whereas the armrests on the other chair always got in the way. Okay, so we are out boondocking with family at a family cottage that they have access to. But I wanted to show you our new chairs that we've purchased. And we're going to see if this works while playing guitar. So we'll grab the chair, grab a footrest. We've had a couple of days of rain here, and now finally the last day we've had some sunshine and blue sky, and there's still some storm clouds that are kind of gathering around us, but so far it's been okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put together the chair and see if I can make this work. So now I'll go pick up the guitar and we'll see how this works. All right, with the footrest and with the lower armrests, let's take this down. Of course, it doesn't make you a better guitar player. It just makes it easier to play guitar. So we have these two chairs. They're from Kilos Gear, and we'll put a link in the description as to where you can purchase them. They are lightweight, packaged small, and they sit very comfortable. And we got the footrest with it as well too. This makes it a very easy way to sit and play guitar. The other chairs we had, the armrests, were just too big and too uncomfortable. Thanks for joining us on our latest journey.
You know, we have appreciated your listening to our channel and following us. So subscribe, put a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Or if you have any questions about the chairs and how to get them or anything about that, please leave a comment.
We will have more information in the description of our video, and you can take a look at that link to where to get those chairs.
Now, stick with us for the summer because we have finally added a few more adventures planned for our summertime camping, and I know that you're going to like some of our new places that we'll be visiting.
Yeah, I think we have 3 new places that we're going to this year, so we're going to enjoy that. So tag along.
Yeah, and you know that we like to hold our plans loosely.